This conference will now be recorded.
So can we just have a recap of what we discussed in the last class?
OBJ save.
Yeah, OBJ save. Mainly we save the customer details into the customer data type. Okay, by writing the OBJ methods. So OBJ save. So even in the OBJ save also we have various things, right? So what are they? When we are saving it with the OBJ save. So when you run the activity, we have used some methods, and so if you don't run through activity, then when you run through flow, it is going to be automatically committing to the database. So the values are saving into the database from the clipboard. Okay. So when you run through activity, so what are the methods we have used, Jagdish?
Commit.
After the OBJ method. Yeah, exactly.
Now,
We have used the commit, otherwise right now. Either we can use the right now, otherwise we can use the commit also. Okay. So now today we will be learning some more methods. Okay, along with the commit, and right now we have something called other things also. Like what are they means? We have something called rollback also, and OBJ save cancel also. Okay, in case if you don't want to save your changes, then we can use the rollback, otherwise OBJ save cancel. So how exactly this rollback and OBJ save cancel is working, that we will be discussing now. Okay, so what is the main difference? We said that, okay, for the OBJ save right now and commit.
with the activity, we cannot directly save. Only with flow, we are able to save. So we used right now or commit. Right now, we'll commit the data immediately after the OBJ save step.
Okay, yeah, fine. So in case, even if you right now also commits immediately, saves the data to the database, commit also will be saving to the database immediately. Okay, but in between these two, what exactly the difference? In between right now and commit, what exactly is the difference? You remember?
Right now, we'll save only that particular record, but if we have any commit, it will save step multiple OBJ saves, I guess.
Yes, correct. Okay, so that means even if it is having multiple statements, okay, like update or something, okay, even multiple previous statements is having the changes to the database. So all will be saved in case if you use the commit. Okay, for example, I am updating 3 tables. Okay, so here what I have done, I have updated only into the customer page. Okay, only the customer record I saved. Now let me take one more example like this. Save as this activity. Save customer details methods. I'm taking. Okay, now here first we have created the customer page, and then we did some of the property values set it to that. Okay, so through parameters we are passing the customer details, and then we used the obj save, okay, and here we did not use right now, but when you run through the flow, it will be saved to the database. Okay, so but if you use rollback, then it is not going to be saving it to the database. It is canceling our changes from the clipboard itself. It is deleting. It is not committing to the database. But once if you commit to the database, then here we cannot roll back it. So before committing to the database itself, we need to use the rollback to cancel the changes to the databases. Okay, so along with rollback, we also have something called obj-save-cancel. Okay, so this obj save cancel, okay, will be working only for this particular obj save method. But whereas if you use the rollback, that will be applicable for all the previous changes. So we will be seeing in detail one by one. Okay, now, so along with the customer details, so I would like to have something called cities details and the states details also I want to save. Okay, so like states page. Okay, so states data page is referring to the which class? This is the class it is referring to. And then let's take the cities also. Cities page. Okay, now we have totally 3 pages available: customer page, okay, states page, cities page, POR page also. Okay, now through this we are going to be saving it to the customer page. Now what I want to do, I would like to update record on the states page. Okay, so take page new. Now add one more step. So let's do. So page, you can give the page name also. Okay, state space dot state ID, like that you can give. Otherwise, you can just give dot state also. So always these properties will be refers to the step page. So right now, what are the states available in under the states data type? AP, Arunachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Okay, let's give Assam like that. Assam or Rajasthan. So now like this, totally we are updating 3 data types. Okay, totally we are updating 3 data types, right? Customers, states, and cities, like that we are updating 3 data types. Okay, so if you are updating 3 data types, okay, so here if you use something called so here if you use only obj save, okay, if you use obj save, so which record will be saved to the database? When you run through flow, which records will be saved to the database? When I'm running through flow, Navish,
Yes, sir.
when I'm running through this activity through flow, so which all are the records will be saved to the database? Any idea? Can you guess? Try at least.
OBJ save comparison. Through activity, I guess nothing will be saved now, sir. Did we write any right? Hello?
Yeah, can you come again? Yeah.
Did you set if right now for any of the OBJ saves, the third and eighth one?
But yeah, for this also not there, and for this also not there right now.
If we directly run this activity, then I guess nothing will be saved.
When you run through flow,
When we run through flow, it will be saved.
it will be
Everything.
saved. Everything will be saved, sure.
Yes, I guess page new.
Will it save states page also?
Can you please open that property set, sir?
Yeah, property set, no problem.
Okay, states page.
It will not save the states page even when you run through flow. Why? Because I did not give obj save. Okay, so unless you give obj save, it will be only in the clipboard. Okay, but if you want save to the type, you must obj save.
For each property set, do we need to view one OBJ save? Is that correct?
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
No. What I mean is for each property set, do we need to give OBJ save separately for each property set?
Not for each property set, for each type
For
page.
each
this separate type. This is separate type. This is separate. This is the reason. In case you are doing the property set, okay, in the cities here also, then you can give only one OBJ save. Okay, but as it is having three separate pages, you should give three separate OBJ saves.
Okay.
Okay, three data types are there. None, that is the reason. Okay, so now it is having three OBJ saves, but nothing is having right now, right? Okay, all are having the OBJ saves only, but it is not having any particular right now checkbox is selected. Then if you run through flow, it will save all the records, right? When you run through flow, right now is not required, and even commit also not required. Okay.
Yes.
So
yes.
Automatically the assignment will be committed to the database. But when you run this activity individually, okay, then sorry, we will add at the end. So we will add at the end one commit. So now I'm giving commit. Now which will be saved to the database. To the database. Hello, Jagdish.
Yes, sir.
Anybody? So which will be saved to the database if you use the commit? So will it save all the three records or only few?
It will save everything, sir.
It will save everything. Okay. Yeah, fine. In place of this, now what I'm doing is I'm removing the commit. Okay, I'm making the comment. Okay, so comment is nothing but stopping saving into the execution of this step, right? So this is like a deleted of this step. Okay, so I'm making it as a comment. Now what happened? OBJ I'm giving OBJ save cancel. Okay, so if you give OBJ save cancel, then what it is happening? So which one is?
Sir, your voice is breaking. Hello.
Yeah, Jagdish. Is it
Your
audible?
voice, it is fine now. I think it is breaking.
Oh, okay. So if you use OBJ save cancel, okay, after all the three, then which record is going to be not saved? Otherwise, all the records are not going to be saved. What exactly is happening? Jagdish?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So what will be happening if I use OBJ save cancel?
Will it cancel the last instance, the last step 9's OBJ save, and that's all will be saved? Is that correct?
Exactly. Only cities will not be saved to the database, and this customer page and the states page is going to be executing. Okay. As I have given OBJ save cancel, only this record will not be saved to the database. This OBJ save will not be performed. Only this will not be performed. Okay. Instead of the OBJ save cancel, now what I will do is I'll be using the rollback. Okay. So if you use the rollback, then what is happening? I commented OBJ save, what will be happening? This rollback applicable for all the pages. So it will not save even customer page also, stage page also, cities page also. Okay, so that is means commit will commit all the pages, rollback will cancel all the pages. Okay, right? Commit means it will commit all the pages. Whatever the changes you are trying to commit from this activity, all will be committed. Whereas rollback means everything will be cancelled. Okay, rollback means everything will be cancelled. Whereas obj save cancel, okay, will be cancelling only the previous step. Okay, previous obj save. Obj save cancel will be cancels only the latest obj save before this obj save cancel. That is going to be happening. Now let me check one more like commit. Okay, but along with this right now first page. Okay, I'm using the obj now for states page. Okay, so for the states page I have given right now, and also I used the commit. Then how exactly it is performing? First, which page it will be committed to the database?
States page.
In general, yeah, in general, commit will be committing from first to last. Okay, first commit, states and cities page will be committed when at the end of the when it reaches to this commit step. Okay, when it reaches to the commit step, then it will go to first obj save and then second obj save and then third obj save. But I did not, as I have selected this obj save for the states page, okay, with right now, before committing to the commit step itself, it will be committed to the database. Okay, so customer page will be in the clipboard and it is not saved to the database. Why? Because it is not having the right now checkbox. Okay, it is still in the clipboard, and later it's come to the states page. Okay, for the states page, okay, it is having the right now, so immediately it will be committed to the database. And then cities page it is coming, so it is not having the right now, so it is not going to be committing to the database. Okay, so now it is coming to the commit. Okay, when it reaches to the commit, what it will do? First, it will commit the customer page. As it is not having the right now checkbox selected, it will be saved to the database. And later it goes to the step page, but status page. But the status page already committed to the database. Okay, as it is having the right now, already it is committed to the database. So it will not going to be save again. Now it is go to the cities page and then it is going to be committing. Got it, Jagdish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so likewise it is going to be executing the steps. Okay, so that is the difference between obj save right now, obj save cancel, rollback and commit. Okay, rollback and commit. Rollbacks all the steps which are not having the right now. Again, that is also important. Okay, if it is already selected right now, that is already committed to the database before it reaches to the rollback. So this rollback will be cancels only customer page changes and cities changes, but it cannot revert back the states page. Why? Because it is already having the states page got selected. Clear? Yeah, that is the main important thing. Now, if you run and see, so it will be saving the values in all the three data types. Okay. Now what I have given here, I have given commit. So it should commit into the all the three data types. So currently 7 are there. So we are trying to add a sum. A sum has come. Okay, in the same way it should be there in the cities also. Yeah, 5 are there. Okay, Guntur like that. Okay, in the same way, you will be having a new record under the customers. We have given with Z. Yeah, it has been saved. So this is the way of doing this. Okay, this is how it is going to be working. OBJ save, cancel, rollback, and commit. Okay, next thing what I want to do now, I would like to create an activity which is for retrieving the data from the DB. Okay, right now till now what we have done, we have saved into the database. Okay, even for retrieving the DB also we have used one function. What is that function we used? We have used one method. What is that method we used, Jagdish? We populated into the states and cities drop down by using which method? Yeah, OBJ browse. Okay, so through the OBJ browse we have retrieved multiple records. Okay, so we retrieved all the cities and